So here's another topic that I have never talked about. A friend of mine suggested I make a video for persons who are going on cruises who don't have a valid passport. He has seen many cases where persons have to get on a cruise and they did not realize their passport was expired until the last moment. The emergency travel certificate issued by the Jamaican government is not a document to get you to a foreign country. It gets you to Jamaica, and the consulates and embassy will not issue it unless you have expressed confirmation from your cruise director that they will accept that document. You need a passport. It's called a passport. So you have to make sure that your passport is valid if you're going on a cruise. In many cases, you have a lot of time before the cruise, so you're booked far in advance. When you're booking, check the passport. But I think part of the problem is that we don't realize that we need a passport. You need a passport. I've never been on a cruise, but my friend is telling me this, that many persons are coming because they were told that they need to get a passport, and it was the very last minute. It was too late. So you don't lose your money, get a passport. Now, when I went to France last year, I was on a bus that was going to be driving around France and some other countries. We drove onto the ferry to cross the English Channel. When we got to France, the bus drove off the ferry and we had to get off the bus and get into customs and immigration. Make them ask we what we are doing there, how long we are going to there for, and who are we there before them stamp and make a pass. So whether it's a boat or not, you need to keep a valid passport. But especially this video is especially for persons who are going on cruises. Keep at least 6 months on your passport. So when it has 6 months left, renew it. The Jamaican government allows you to renew a year before it expires, but you can do the 6 months if you want. That way you don't have a dire emergency pop up and you have no time at all left. Another thing, I always find that persons whose passport expired a long time ago and they were thinking, well, I'm not travel, so I need it. They are the ones who come up with dire emergencies in Jamaica. But these persons have dire emergencies and have to go to Jamaica and they have no valid passport. All right, this is Gail of 876 Documents. We help Jamaicans all around the world apply for their Jamaican documents. Gail of 876 again, and I thank you for watching. Bye.